Hi, this is David from Smart World. Have you ever thought about having Google Assistant on your car? Well, I will show you now how. This is the App2CAr, which comes with Google Assistant, and of course, not only that, but you can install multiple apps from the Google Store like Netflix, Amazon Prime. You can watch videos from those apps, and you can install multiple apps as well. And I will show you how Google Assistant works from this device. So we simply plug this device into your car USB port like this. Oops. And we're installing this into Kia Sportage 2019, but it's compatible with multiple cars. I have done testing with multiple cars and it works really well. And as long as your car has a CarPlay, it will recognize the device and it will show you on the screen. Right now it's reading the USB device and it's showing the Apple CarPlay is connected, and will show you the hello screen from the App2CAr device. So once the product is recognized, we will see the main screen, and in the main screen we can see the microphone. Sorry, we're gonna go back to the device. We're gonna show you. It says, for your drive safety, please do not watch videos while driving. Say I know. And here on the main screen, we're gonna see the microphone from Google Assistant. So we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna ask some questions. First, we need to make sure that we're installed with the wireless LAN. Sorry, because it's gonna use internet. So let's make sure that we are connected to the internet first. Okay, so we're going to wireless LAN and we connect our iPhone to the internet, so it's sharing the internet from my iPhone. And then let's go to the main screen, and here's the Google Assistant. So we can ask any questions. If you have used Google Assistant, it's the same thing here. So let's say we say just ask him, hey Google, what time is it?
4:29 p.m.
Hey Google, set an alarm at 5 p.m.
To keep going, you'll need to download the latest version of clock.
Okay, we need to install the clock in this device. We can do it later. Hey Google, play some music from Spotify.
Playing some music on Spotify.
And it's launching Spotify itself. I'm not touching anything, it's doing everything itself. It's just following my orders. Great, we're going to the main menu, or we can just stop it here. Just run Google Assistant again. It says, hey Google, please take me to the nearest petrol station.
Got it. United DY Pittwater, Pie Face.
And it's gonna launch Google Maps, and it's gonna find the best route and all that. Probably gonna stop there because I don't have the GPS installed in this car. But if you have the GPS installed, it will work faster. But that's the idea, will run maps. So yeah, it's like that. You can ask Google to do different things with your voice. Yeah, easy to use, just telling them what to do. And if you want to know more about this product, or if you like to know more information about this, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.